minimal effort but maximum beauty. Okay.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and welcome laga, and I'm back with another video. For today's video we are reviewing this beautiful hair from Remy Forte. So this is a unit that I received. It's actually a 26-inch and I'm super excited to install it with you guys. I'll do it step by step so that you understand how I install my hair, and also if you are looking for a wig that's going to last you like a maximum of 2 weeks, keep on watching this video. Look at how I install my video. Do it as well. Let me know what you think about the install and if it works for you as well. The hair is from Remy Forte. It is FB30 highlight straight 13x4 lace and full lace wig with baby hair, human hair. You can make this a body wig, up to you, and it's also full scalp lace wig. It's also pre-plucked for you guys, and also it has the band so that you can adjust it. I love that about wigs. This is the wig straight out of the box, you guys. It has these beautiful highlights. I haven't tried anything like that, so I am happy to try it on. This is the wig in front, but I am gonna go in with a bit of my foundation. It is pre-bleached for you, but obviously not to my skin type, so I'm gonna go in with a bit of my foundation so that it matches my skin. It does come with an adjustable strap. I think this is genius. This is nice. It's genius, so you adjust it according to your head size. And this is like the bra strip that we usually have. We would know it, ladies, you guys would know it. And it also comes with these combs over here on the sides. It's 3 combs, and this bottom part, if you want to make it like a 360, you can also install this part here at the bottom so that when you're tying it, it's giving 360 if you want to do that. I think I might do that actually. Should I? Maybe not, maybe next time. This is how it looks with the pre-bleaching. This is how it is with my foundation, a bit darker, just like my color scheme. Step 1, guys, you need to make sure that every part of your hair is at the back so that it does not disturb you with your install. So I have these 2 pegs. That's what I'm going to use to hold my hair to the back so that it does not disturb with my install. I'm gonna go in with my ghost bond, and I'm gonna do 2 layers today. I just wanted to last like a maximum of a week, maybe 2. I'm not quite sure. I don't think 2 though. I think like 2 layers will be enough for a week. Let this sit in for like 10 minutes and that should be fine, and then I'll take it off and cut the lace. Going in with the scissor now. The install is fine, so we just need cutting and just making the hair look nice. I section it first. Just gonna go in with the blade and cut it off. Hopefully you guys can see me. how the hair looks now, guys. But before I go in with the Glamour Beauty Spray, I'm gonna do baby hairs on both sides, because what I find once I put on the Glamour Beauty Spray, oh my god, once I put it on, I can't take out baby hairs. So that's why I want to do it first, and then I'll sort out this part. Going in with my gel, you guys, on the sides. Hopefully it looks good, because Sana what's this, baby hairs, they kill me, but hopefully it will look good. Not looking for anything big, something very minimal, and yeah, it should look nice and sharp. In with the Glamour Spray, guys. Let's do it. Ooh, child. Gosh. I feel like this spray is good for correcting like errors that you make, so that's why I like going with it at the end. Because if I go with it like during my install and during my my edges, then it just looks like a mess, and it's so quick to dry off. So just be careful with this, and if you want an install that's gonna last like a day, you can use this, like a day or two you can use this. But if you're looking for an install that's gonna last longer, you need Ghost Bond. This just does not work alone, so yeah. In with this band for like 15 minutes. I'm drying this off, then I'll go in with the band. Then after 15 minutes we'll see how it is. It should be better. This is how the wig is now after the second band. So now I'm just gonna go in with a bit of my foundation so that I can blend this in properly, and it can like give scalp, man. I wanted to give that. It's definitely giving scalp now, so I'm just gonna go in with this what's this ganane, I forgot the name of it, but yeah, I'm going in with it, the wax stick, and I think I want a middle path, so I'm gonna do a middle path. Almost done with this install, you guys. This side looks like my natural hair, like the Goldilocks type of thing. Yo, I like this wig. It takes so well to heat. I'm not doing too much, and the hair is also like super silky. It is super, when I say like, I'm sure you guys can see it over the camera. I haven't even ironed the hair, but can you see how it is? Like, it's silky. I don't even think at this stage that this hair needs what's this, oh, what am I doing? I don't think it needs ironing, but I will iron it anyway, because I want to see like how will it look with the ironing process as well. But for me, hi Sana, it is working. It is a beautiful wig, and it's super easy to install as well. Look at that, such a beautiful install, Gisan. Gorgeous. Guys, I've done my makeup, so now I'm just gonna go in with some heat protection and just iron the hair. I'm sure it will take great to heat. I just can't wait to iron it and see how it is.
I will make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it. I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow. So
I think it looks super nice and silky. It takes well to ironing as well, so I love that about the wig. It is super flat. It's giving bone straight type of install. Let's open this pot and let's see how it goes. Yes, it's definitely giving. Guys, the install is super beautiful. Like, look at this, look at how it is installed, look at the lay of the hair. Stunning Kisana, no issue, no nothing. Such an easy installation. I'm gonna keep this for a while. Up until I decide that I'm gonna take it off. Today is Tuesday, and I will be wearing this on Sunday because I want to go to church looking like this, looking this good. So I will be wearing this. Let me know what you guys think about the hair. I love it though. I think it's such a cute and beautiful install. The inch, you guys, can you just look at the inch? This is a 26 inch and it's definitely giving 30 inches. This is the wig. This is where it's sitting, so that's why I'm saying it's giving 30 inch, because Sana at 26 inch sitting here. This is such a beautiful and gorgeous unit. Look at the hair. Just look at the hair. Such a beautiful install. Soft and free. This hair is super like soft and free. This is a beautiful unit. I love the highlights so much, and I love that it's super easy to install the hair as well. It's not difficult, and the lace is also easy to melt down. There's no hassle over there. Sana, such a beautiful install. Okay, gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think about the installation. Was it easy? Do you guys want more step-by-step installation so that we can do it together and you guys can get perfect when it comes to installation?
just watch me breaking your sphere. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you will do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow.
Anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Everything with regards to this wig will be in the description box. There will also be a discount code, so make sure that you utilize that. Are you buying this gorgeous unit? This is such a beautiful and soft and free unit. You guys, when I say like this hair is so like when you want a bone straight type of wig, this is it. This is the girl she thinks she is. Definitely this company, they know what they're doing when it comes to wigs. Like, look at the layer of this wig. Minimal effort but maximum beauty. Okay, I will definitely see you in my next upload, my love. I love you loads. Bye.
Oh, that's my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want